Mrs. Melanie P. Pugtaro, to our school's division superintendent, Dr. Norma Lian Maalindog, to our parent supervisors, ES1 Technology and Livelihood, Mr. Rizalito F. Petalco, ES1 Physical Education, Mrs. Lourdes A. Casila, ES1 SPED and Pre-Elementary Education, Mrs. Delia Y. Halbuena, to our District Supervisor, Mrs. Evelyn D. Villaverde, and to all the South District Principals, teachers, parents, to my co-graduates, friends, and guests, a pleasant morning to everyone. Looking back to the years I spent here at our dear school, reminded me of how I learned several things from being an eldest daughter of my parents and a child who is just beginning to discover life as a growing child. When I first came here, I didn't know a thing of how I will be able to cope up with the people that surround me, until a chance was given and be able to show my very first love, which is singing. My singing talent took me here at this very stage I am standing on right now, and made me find new friends and people who learned to like me as a young child, whom they think would set a good example to all of the students aiming to show up their own talents and skills. From then on, I said to myself that this institution will take a child from miles to reach their dreams and become determined students to become established individuals. In my experience here in Lucena South 2, I learned a lot of things like developing skills and talents, respect with one another, especially to elders, and enhance our knowledge that help us become better persons. These are only a few from the things I have learned from being a student here in this school, and this made me realize why my parents decided to choose this school for my preliminaries. They have been a part of this institution and took them to where they are now, and so I say that I am a proud student of Lucena South 2 Elementary School, which I will bear to whenever I will be in the future. To all my mentors, teachers, and principals, and even to everybody here in the school that has been a part of our growth here, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I will always cherish the moments I have been a part of this school, and will always be proud to be a graduate of Lucena South 2 Elementary School. May I request all the graduates to please stand